Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. One more time. Once again.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank for everything. I love you, Daddy. Thank for everything. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank for everything. I love you, Mommy and Daddy. Oh my gosh, it's a dinosaur! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's a dinosaur! It's dinosaur! It's a dinosaur! I missed this one. What does it say? Thank you! Yes, it's treasure top.
What's that?
Bunny! Wow, ganda! Thank you po! Bunny! The bunny!
Audrey, yun pa, Audrey. Ano gifts mo? Lagay mo dito. Ganito to. Ganito ito pinapasok dito.
So, can you help your sister?
I'm gonna Go! Pera yan!
Asan niya isang gift na
Right there!
Sophie, may laman pa yun.
Sophie, baka naiwan mo sa regalo mo. So, look, you have lipstick! Look, it's a lipstick for you! Oh, here's another one. Thank you! Wala.
Elsa, don't you worry. I'll take care of you. What happened? Can I hear you? What happened? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay. Thank you po. Thank you po for all the gifts. Hi na, Merry Christmas.
Yung regalo mo, yung nabibigyan natin.
Money,
Mas muna.
Okay, Merry Christmas from Lola Robert. Hey, thank you. From Tita Rochelle. From Lola Robert. From Tita Rochelle. Well, Daphne. Pambili pa ng makeup niyo. Lola Robert. Yeah. Oh, what will you say naman, anak ko?
From Tita Rochelle. Ay, Ate Rochelle. Ate Rochelle.
Thank you po.
Tingnan mo ang ginawa mo. Tingnan mo. Ay, no. Tingnan mo ang dito talaga. Sa kanya yan. No, sa kanya yan. Nakita ko. Amin na.
Thank you po.
Nasaan yung mga bag niya? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh, blow.
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 Yay!
Ako muna.
Sabay kayo, sabay.
Ako muna.
Ah, sige.
Ako muna, okay?
Oh, go.
Hello, madlang people. My name is Daphne Micaela Francisco. I school in Holy Family Academy. And my section is St. Barakel. And I'm 4 years old. When I'm in my birthday, I'm 5 years old.
Hello.
When I'm 5 years old, I can be a teacher, a princess, and hey,
Asing ka na lang.
a singer. I can be a singer when I grow up.
Okay, sing. Hello.
Let it go, let it go. I wish that mamaya. Bye, Mom.
Yeah. Who gave that guitar to you? Who gave the guitar? Tita? Tita Gigi. Thank you po. Dance. Try the lime. Try the limes. Yee! Audrey, you like your horse? One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Upload it. Yay! Happy birthday, Please, Lola. Please, Lola. Please, Lola. Please, Lola. Please, Lola.
Okay. Okay, thank
Uy, sino ka model ka ba? Ba't naka-fashion ano ka ba? Uy. Naku, arte naman. Anak, uy, may ganun pa. Ba yan? Eh. Oh, yung posing ng pang model. Model posing. Kayong dalawa. Wow. Saan ka ba pupunta, model? Saan? Where are you going?
Bibili ako doon sa...
Saan?
Bibili
Saan?
kami na ating doon sa bigas.
Bigas! Naku ba? Model ka naging bigas!
What did you...
Sige, model ka ng bigas. Okay, fashion model ng bigas. O, game. Okay? Oh, ayun. Ganda naman. 3. What do you want to be?
Ate, be a teacher.
Why do you want to be a teacher?
I can teach the children.
Yay! Saan ka pupunta? Ba't may bag ka?
Sa ibang bansa.
Sa ibang bansa. Saan bansa ka pupunta?
Doon.
Sa?
Doon sa malayo.
Sa malayo. Eh, kawawa naman kami. Wala naman kami baby Daphne. Anong sasakyan mo papunta sa ibang bansa?
Ano na lang try.
Trike? Pupunta yung trike sa airport. Tapos?
Sasabihin ko.
Ano sasabihin mo sa trike?
Like, ipupunta ko doon sa aeroplano.
Cool. O, sige. Naka-empake ka na. O, sige. Anong oras yung flight mo? Anong oras yung flight mo?
Alis na ako. 5 hours na ako alis dito. Tapos 10:30 kami.
10:30 yung flight mo. Okay. O, sige. Ingat ka.
Wow.
Wow. Sino naglagay dito? Uy! Bakit may lipstick ka? Uy.
Nindok.
Okay.
Hello, my people. Uy, baliktad! Baliktad. Sira to. Yung sira yun. Yung yun sa akin. Wait. It's like...
Ano siya? Ano nangyari dyan? Anong tawag?
Parang siya si Roro Robert Elsa.
Bakit Roro Robert Elsa?
Eh, kasi wala yung kamay dito.
Nya!
Patingin.
Patingin.
This is my lollipop.
Oh, yummy lollipop.
Stop! Don't eat it. It's galing sa Oh, touch it. Oh, mabali siya. Touch it. Oh, mabali siya. Touch it. Oh, mabali siya.
Papali.
Oh, diba?
Di ba papali?
Touch it. Oh, touch it.
Iikot ka ba niya? Pati niya. Wow, ganda naman ng crown mo. Wow, so pretty, princess. Uy! Arte! Ka-princess na. Ay! Oh, careful lang. Inaano pa yung buhok? Ginagano pa yung buhok? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan na princess na yan? Ka-arte na. Oh, may bago lang crown. Patingin nga yung crown na bago.
Bibili yung gift to sa Pasko. Bibili ako ng gift sa Pasko. Bibili ako ng gift sa Pasko. Bibili ako sa gift ng Pasko. Tara namang mall. Tara namang mall.
Wow! One, two, go! Okay, let's go.
Dali, bibili ako nakita. Mapaya, mataba, manabibi. Mundi ako pa. Sa lukuti isa. Sabi na, kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Sabi na, kwak. Tayo na si Ino at sabi. Kumain kalabi. Uli, sabi ko ni isa. Sabi na, kwak, kwak.
Galing.
Opo, sa pagkain sana. Nabusog na. Ako nabusog na.
Oh. Oh, di ba? Ano ang Oh, di ba? Kaya dapat hindi bumibili ng lobo, di ba? Ano nangyari?
Putok.
Oh. Oh, yung pera, ano nangyari sa pera?
Sayang ang pera ko. Pambili ng lobo.
Magkwento ka naman sa birthday mo? Ay, kwento mo na yung birthday mo. Ano ka na nakundo po?
Baby shark.
Ito pa, isa. Oh, yan, picture. Don't kiss me, ha? Don't kiss me sabay. Don't kiss me sabay! Mo? Kiss me. Kiss me.
Hindi, oh. Titirin lang ng ano.
Louder, what's your name again?
I'm Audrey. I love. Mommy, I want my brain.
Ay, wait lang. Ay, malaki yata.
Why?
Tanananan. Tanananan.
Ay,
Wow! Who are you?
I'm princess.
Ayan
Hello,
na.
I'm princess.
Ah, yun ano.
I can turn around.
Managulo yan. Oh,
I'm
tingnan mo.
princess.
Wait
Turn
lang.
around.
Ito yung kamay. Ay,
I'm princess. Turn around. Whoa.
malaki siya.
Sabi mo, kailangan mo na yung head si the thing. Si dad.
Here is one thing. At first,
Come on.
ito na lang. Ito na lang. Yung last na lang.
Oh, patingin, patingin. Sino ka ba?
Ay, huwag mo na.
Wow, Wednesday. Oh, may
I'm a princess. I'm with the run.
Hindi pala pwede. Pang pila niya po. Nakalagay.
Eyes.
So what?
Show the big eyes.
Okay, here's my big eyes.
Say, I am ready.
I am ready.
Now we're gonna learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do you want excuse?
Yes. Can I be excused?
Okay. You can go to the excuse. Now go to the bathroom and wait. She'll wait you.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. Okay.
A, B, C, E,
And
Now you learn this one. What's this? My family academy is A for the data school, Christ and nursery, excellent, academic, social enrollment, and all, and nursery, excellence.
excellent. And
Academic, social enrollment, on and
services
services
to share.
to Bangladesh.
Very good.
5 minutes lang. Ganito, 5,000 pesos.
5,000 pesos.
Oo, doon
Opo.
tayo stay forever, pero hindi tayo uuwi.
Sino ba namimiss mo?
Tito Bobet.
Ba't namimiss mo si Tito Bob?
5 hours tayo pupunta doon, 25.
25.
Pero $5.
$5?
Pero hindi tayo uuwi.
Bakit di tayo uuwi?
Kasi namimiss ka.
Sino ba namimiss mo?
Si Tito Bobet.
Hindi mo pa man na-miss si Tito Bobet. Miss mo na agad siya.
Namiss ko na kasi gusto kong strawberry tsaka blueberry.
Na-miss mo siya kasi gusto ng strawberry tsaka blueberry. Punta na tayo sa Baguio, may strawberry doon.
Wow!
belongs to our God.
Tatlong bibe. May.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on.
Let's go, yay!
I never see you anymore. To be best buddy.
Okay, go.
For the first time in forever, let me use it. Forever. Playground is so beautiful. This is colored butterflies. You're right, Mommy. This is colored babe cat. They're blue. It's beautiful and to play. Hi. To Bowser. Yes, hi. Tong tong pak tong dito. Halimago sa lagat. Malikit, masarap, mahirap, mahuli sa pagkasanalagat. Tong 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 pakito, halimago sa lagat. Okay.
And you, 1, 2, 3, go.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Yay! Tong tong. Tatlong bibe, tatlong bibe. Tatlong bibe, anak. May tatlong bibe.
Ilan ako umiyak, nagpipilang ako.
Eh bakit pag umiiyak lang ba dapat mag-video? Hindi. Pag pretty ka eh. Show me yung dress mo. Sino ko yung dress mo? Pambahay ba yan? Tingnan ko nga. Oh. Hindi man pambahay yan eh. Panglakad yan. Ba't ginagawa mong pambahay? Ay, ha?
Pinood ako ni Lola doon sa TV.
Hmm? Oh, sige, dance kayo.
My dress. Let go! Let it go! Understand me more, me more. I don't care. It's God you stay and strong.
2, 3, sing!
Happy birthday to you.
Audrey, sing ka.
Happy
Louder.
birthday